Good morning, students. In the previous classes, only 5 problems we finished. Fifth one, second problem. Here given one picture. That is this like a given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Now, 40, 70, 50, 30, right angle. Next, 60, 40. Here 60, here 40. 80, 50. Here 80, here 50. 40, 20. Here 40, here 20. Here 80, 40. 80. So what is the area of the given picture? Here see, second one. In this given picture, how many triangles there shows? There are 3 triangles. 3 triangles. See, triangle F H E E F H. Next triangle A G J A G J. Next triangle A B K A B K. So there are 3 triangles given. So area of the triangle EFH, half cross out, height cross out, base, half. Height how much? This triangle 40, base 20. So 2 1 jar, 2 20 jar, 2 2 jar 400 square centimeters. Area of triangle AGJ, half cross out, base cross out, height half. Here base how much? 40. Height how much? 70. 2 1 jar, 2 20 jar, 2 7 jar, 14. 1400 square centimeters. Next, area of the triangle ABK, half cross out, base cross out, height. How much? Half cross out. Base how much? 30. Height how much? 50. 2 1 jar, 2 15 jar. 15 5 jar, 75. 750 centimeters. So this triangle area we find, this triangle area we find, this triangle area we find. Next, this trapezium, this trapezium, this trapezium. Area we find out right now. So write it. This one 400 square centimeters. Next one. This one 1400. This one 750. Write down. Next one. Here given picture, how many trapezium shows? 1, 2, 3. Given picture 3 trapeziums, 3 trapeziums. What are they? E, D, C, I. Next I, C, K, B. And next F, G, J, H. So now area of trapezium EDCI. What is the area of the trapezium? Half cross out, distance between parallel side H cross out, sum of the parallel side A plus B. Half cross out. EDCI. Height how much? 80. Parallel side how much? 50 plus 60. So half cross out. 2 1 jar 2 40 jar. So 40 cross out 110. 50 plus 60. So 4 11 jar 44. Both side 2 zeros. Square centimeters. Next one. Area of the trapezium ICBK. Half cross out, height cross out, A plus B, half. Height how much? Here to here 40. Parallel side 60, 30. 2 1 are 2 20s are 20 cross out 60 30 90. So 2 9s are 18 1800 square centimeters. Right, that is. Next one. This is 404. 400. Next one. Area of the trapezium G J H F. How much? Half cross out, height cross out, A plus B. Half how much? Half cross out. Height how much? This one 80. Parallel side 20 40. centimeter square. So each trapezium area we find. So now area of the given picture. Area of the given picture. First, area of triangle EFH plus area of triangle AGJ plus area of triangle ABK 1, 2, 3. Next, area of trapeze, like see FB FG JH plus area of EDCI plus area of CIBJ. So now area of the EFH 400 plus next area of the AGH how much? 1400. Area of the ABK 750. Next, area of the EDCI 4400. Area of the FGJH 2400. Area of the CBBI 90 plus 1800. So these total we are adding. See 1400 plus 400, 1800 plus 750, 2550. 2500 plus 50, how much? 4950. 4950 plus like 9350. 9350 plus 1000, 10350 plus 800, 11250. 10350 plus 800, 11150 square centimeters. Area of that picture, right? Next one, sixth one. So that is each figure area you find out after all areas you add. Next one, the ratio of the length of the parallel side trapezium 5:3. Distance between them 16. Area given here, area of trapezium, how much? 960 centimeters they are given, square centimeters. Distance between height, distance between two parallel side they are given, h equal to 16 centimeters. The ratio of two parallel side, the ratio of two parallel side, how much they are given? 5:3, like one side 5x, two parallel sides 5x 3x, 5x 3x. Now area of trapezium, half cross out, height cross out, sum of the parallel side, height 16, cross out, a plus b 3x plus 5x. Here see, area of the trapezium how much given? 960. So 960 to 1 jar to 8 jar, 8 cross out, 5x plus 3x, 8x. So these 8 moving this side, cross out coming. 960 cross divided by 8, 8x. 8 1 jar, 8 120s. So 8x equal to 120. X equal to 120 by 8. How much? 8 1 jar 8, remaining 4, 8 5 jar 15, 8 jar. So x equal to 8 15. So one parallel side length, their ratio given 15x, 15 into 5 into 15, 75 centimeters. Another parallel side length, how much here? 3x. So 3 into 15, 45 centimeters square. That is. The floor of the building consists of around 300 tiles which are rhombus shaped. Each of its diagonal 45 centimeters and 35 centimeters its length. Find the total cost of the floor if each cost of the tiles 20 rupees per meter square. So there totally 300 tiles, each tile 20 rupees. So area diagonal given 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters here given. So rhombus picture, area of the rhombus half d1 into d2. So we find the tiles cost, how much total tiles cost. Look at this picture answer. What is the test? There rhombus given. Here rhombus given. Rhombus given. Here see diagonal 45 centimeters this one 31, 35, this one 30 centimeters given. So this total, this shape needed 3000 tiles. Each tile cost 20 rupees. So each tile cost 20 rupees. So now we find the how much money there we are, how much money. Here see first, sixth one or seventh problem. Diagonal length of the diagonals. How much? D1 like a C 45 centimeters, 30 centimeters. One diagonal length 45 and another diagonal length 30. Very good. So now area of rhombus, half cross out, D1 cross out D2. D1 means diagonal 1, D2 means diagonal 2. So half cross out, D1 how much? 45, D2 how much? 30. 2 1 jar, 2 15 jar. Now 15 5s are 75, 15 4s are 60 plus 767 square centimeters. So now we find the area, we find. Yes, next one. Here, so total how many tiles we have needed? 360 tiles. So now total they're asking one. Find the total cost of flooring. So total area of the floor. Total area of the floor. See, now area of the rhombus. Area of the tiles. See, how many tiles total? 3,675 cross out 3,000 square centimeters square. Here see, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22, 3 6 are 18 20. So square centimeters. This one convert to meters. So how to coming? 202.5 square centimeters. So now each square meter how much? Why we are converting square meter? They 20 rupees each square meter. So totally how many square meters? 202.5 square meters. So total each square meter tiles money 20 rupees. 20 rupees. So total floor of tiles money. Here see, 202.5 cross out 20. 25s are 100, 22s are 40, 50, 0, 22 zeros are 0 plus 5. Next 22s are 40. So point after 1 0, point after 1 0. 4,050 rupees. 4,050 rupees. Last one. So we have finished these exercise. Here see, there is a pentagonal shape. Parts are showing the picture. For finding its area, Jyoti and Rashida divide into two different ways. Area of the both ways, what you observe. Here one pentagon picture given. What that is? 15, 15, 30. This is a 15, 15. See, here to here 15 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 15 centimeters. Here to here 30 centimeters. Now, Jyoti dividing. See this part number, this pentagon, Jyoti and Rashida, two girls, separating each like two parts. They are thinking. So Jyoti said this like Jyoti said this like see now Rashida said this like divided. So what is the area of the Jyoti, what is the Rashida of the Jyoti? Here see, according to Jyoti said dividing this like here see now here how much 15, here how much 30, here how much 7.5. Why here to here length total 15, so here 7.5, here 7.5. So their height, distance between two parallel sides, centimeters. You know now 7.5 to how to write here to here 15, two equal parts, so 17.5. Next, two parallel side length, two parallel side length, how much 15 centimeters and 30 centimeters. Now area of trapezium, half cross out, height cross out, A plus B. So half how much? Half cross out height 7.5, cross out 15, cross out plus 30. So 7.5 cross out 45 by 2. 2 1 jar to 22.5. So both one you multiply. 22.5 cross out 7.5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 12. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. Next. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. Here see. Next. 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 17. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15. By 5, 7, 9, 6, 1. 169.75. 169.75. So now each, now this area of the triangle 169. Ask is this area of the triangle 169. So two pentagon dividing two trapeziums. So two trapeziums area 2 cross out 169.75. See 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 3 7s are 21, 22, 3 9s are 27 plus 1. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 20, 122, 3 9s are 27, 29, 3 6s are 18, 18 plus 3, 23. So why 2? Sorry. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15. 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 2 6s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 2 1 2 plus 3, 339.50 square centimeters. Both trapeziums. Now this is according to the Jyoti. Now next according to the Rishida. Now distance between two parallel sides. How much? This is the Rishida. Here to here 15 centimeters. Here to here 15 centimeters. Why totally 15, 30 centimeters. Here 15, here 15, here 15. So now area of the triangle. How much? Now this is a triangle. So half cross out height 15 cross out 15. 15 are 225 by 2. How much? 2 1 jar, 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar 0.5. 112.5. Next square centimeters. Area of the square. Where is the square? This picture. See, now area of the square, side into side. 15 cross out 15. 225. Now total you are adding. Here area of pentagon. Area of the pentagon. So area of triangle plus area of square. Area of the square. How much? 112.5 plus 225. 5 plus 2 7. 337.50 square centimeters. So both are equal or different? Equal. So according to Rishita, according to Jyoti, both Jyoti, where here 169.75 cross out 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4, 2 7 are 14 plus 1 15. 2 9s are 18. Sorry, here 6 are. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 7. 2 6 are 12 plus 13. So now both are equal. Jyoti and Rishida separate pentagon separate two different types, but area always same. Area always same. So this is we have finished the 8.9.1 exercise. Tomorrow we are discussing 9.2 exercises. Shall leave the class. Okay, take care. Stay home. Ma here 22.5 plus cross out 7.5, 168.5. There before 169 we write some mistake. So shall leave the class. Okay, take care.